Are you curious about the collaborative magic among your software buddies? Then join me, as now we will be exploring the apt dependency tree, the family tree of your software. I will reveal 4 easy methods to check the apt dependency tree. Check the description to find the article link and the comments. So let's make a sense of this software family reunion together. In Linux, dependencies are essential as a software package needs these for a successful installation. You can picture them as prerequisites. Without them, your software puzzle is not complete. Linux sees a software package as a collection of modules, making it crucial to check dependencies and grasp the interconnected modules within a software ecosystem. Advanced Package Tool or apt, the magic tool in Debian-based Linux distributions, unveils the dependency tree, a hierarchy of software connections. You can use apt in Ubuntu or similar distros to reveal the recursive structure of dependencies for a package like unraveling a software puzzle. For instance, here is a glimpse of the VLC player's dependency tree. Now, I will demonstrate 4 different methods to check apt dependency tree in different visualization formats. The first method is done with apt-rDepends, which is a command line tool used in Debian-based Linux distributions like Ubuntu. It recursively displays the dependencies of a specified package and forms a dependency tree. Let's use this tool to check the dependencies of VLC package. So open the terminal, and to update your system, enter the command sudo apt-get update. Now to install rdepends, type sudo apt-get install apt-rDepends. Now to see the dependencies, enter the command sudo apt-rDepends VLC. Now look, all the dependencies are listed in a recursive manner. For example, VLC depends on VLC bin and VLC bin depends on libc6 and so on. So with this command, you can see all the nested dependencies required for the installing of the VLC player. And if you want to see the reverse dependency tree that indicates which packages require the mentioned package, you can use sudo apt-rDepends -r VLC. And here is the reverse dependency tree. Debtree is a command line tool generally used to generate a visual representation of the dependency tree for a specified Debian package. And as it is usually not pre-installed, you have to install it first. So open the terminal and enter the command sudo apt install Debtree. Now to view the dependency list, enter the command Debtree VLC. And after the execution, you will see a hierarchical tree like structure of VLC. Now moving into the third method, apt-Cache, which is used for querying and displaying dependency information related to software packages that are available in the system's package cache. To use apt-Cache, open the terminal and type the command apt-Cache show package VLC pipe list. Here you can press space to view the next pages, and you can also see the forward dependencies. And if you want to see the reverse dependency tree only, you can use apt-Cache rdepends VLC. These are the reverse dependencies. Finally, the last method using Graphviz. It is an open-source software tool for creating diagrams, graphs, and visual representations of various structures, including dependency trees. To use Graphviz for viewing a dependency tree, 2 steps are required. As Graphviz is not pre-installed usually, you may need to install it first. So in your terminal, type sudo apt install -y Graphviz. And Graphviz is installed in your system. Now, before visualization, a file is needed to represent the tree structure. You can use various tools such as apt-rDepends, Debtree or apt-Cache to generate a text-based representation of the dependency tree. I will show you using Debtree. So now type the command Debtree vlc pipe dot angle bracket vlc tree dot dot. Now to preview the dependency tree, enter .t vlc tree dot dot. Don't worry if you can't see any output here, it happens sometimes. To preview the graph, you can run the command dot dash capital T png dash o vlc.png vlc tree dot dot and hit enter. This command will save the graph file as a PNG format image. Now let's check. Opening the file, and you can see here is a file named vlc.png. Click on this, and thus you can see the graphical structure of vlc dot dot, which actually contains the dependency tree information of vlc package. In summary, the dependency tree is essential for package managers, automating complex dependencies for a consistent system. It clarifies the relationships within a package and keeps your repository updated and source software from trusted places for an accurate dependency tree. Hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.